Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to do this makeup look. This is an Alia Bhatt makeup look for one of the Kalank promotions. Recently I arranged a poll for you guys to vote on YouTube and most of you guys chose Alia Bhatt and so many of you asked me to do this particular look. And for those of you who chose Kylie Jenner and summer makeup look, don't worry, I'm gonna do those looks soon. So, Sagarika, Huma, Shreya, Ehtasham, Rakhi, Aisha, Shakila, here's your video. So, I'm taking my Maybelline Master Prime Primer and with the help of the Color Bar Duo Fiber brush, I'm going to blend the product on my face. So, I use it on my forehead, on my cheeks, chin, nose, basically the T-zone area and wherever I have large pores. I love this primer because this primer is a hydrating primer and it does not dry out my skin unlike other primers. Next, I'm going to use my trusted Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I love this foundation because this foundation never fails me. I'm using this foundation all over my face and with the help of my damp sponge, this one is a Real Techniques sponge, I'm going to blend it all over my face. This foundation is budget friendly and it gives a decent coverage. It's a little bit mattifying on my skin, which I don't really mind because I moisturize my face really well before applying any makeup because I'm a fan of the natural, glowy, dewy makeup look. And I take a lot of time to do my base because I feel if my base is not right, the makeup does not sit well. And I love doing my base because it feels very calming. Next, I'm using this MAC Face and Body Foundation. I use this foundation on top of the Maybelline one just to add a little bit of glow because this one has a sheer coverage but has a beautiful glow. Then I'm using this Elegirl Pro Conceal HD Concealer on my under eye area. This has got a salmon shade and that helps to cancel out the darkness. And then I'm blending it out with the help of my Real Techniques sponge. This is an excellent concealer and it's super easy to blend. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm using this on my under eye area. I'm using this to brighten that area. And then I'm blending it with the help of my Real Techniques sponge. I love everything about this concealer, the consistency, the coverage, how easily it blends. I just love it. And I blend the concealer really well. Next, taking this Bharat and Dorris loose powder. This one is in the shade number 7 and I'm just kind of baking it. So I dip my brush into the powder and put it under my eyes and let it sit there for 15-20 seconds. And this helps to set my concealer and also gives an airbrushed look to it. And to set my entire face with the powder, I'm using this Body Shop face and body brush. I don't use a lot of powder to set my base and then I'm flicking off the extra powder from my under eye area. Then using Maybelline the Nudes palette, I'm using this dark brown shade and doing my brows. I'm using this Color Bar flat shader brush to do my brows. And I'm just following my natural shape. Now, taking this Makeup Revolution London Flawless 4 palette, I'm using this soft brown shade and using it in the crease of my eyes as well as the outer corner. I'm adding the color slowly and the brush I'm using is the Oriflame blending brush. I'm not picking up a lot of color at once, I'm just slowly adding the color till the time I'm happy with the intensity of the color. Taking a tissue paper, wiping off the color, I'm using the same brush and picking up this warmer brown shade. I'm also putting it in the crease of my eyes, but a little lower than the previous color and being a little bit precise with this one. So I'm just putting this color on top of the previous color so that there's a beautiful transition of shades. Next, taking this dark brown shade, I'm using it on the outer corners of my eyes to add a little bit of depth. And then again taking the soft brown shade, I'm putting it on my lower lash line. And then again taking the warmer brown shade, I'm putting it on top of the previous color. Using this beautiful golden champagne shade, I'm putting it in the inner corners of my eyes and also putting it in the inner third area of my eyelids. And I'm using this blending brush with no extra product. I'm just blending the color in because I don't want a very strong champagne shade. I just want very subtle glow on my lids. I'm also using the champagne shade on the brow bone area. And this brush is also a random brush that I purchased online. Next, I'm curling my lashes and putting on mascara, and the mascara I'm using is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is an amazing mascara. It does wonders to my lashes. And I just applied a couple of individual lashes here. And then taking this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black, I am applying it on my upper lash line, very close to my lashes. And then I'm reapplying the dark brown shade on the outer corners of my eyes because I wanted it to be a little bit more intense. And then I'm applying the mascara on my lower lashes as well. Then taking this beautiful brown shade, I'm gonna contour my face. This is a mid brown and I love it because it's not too warm, not too cool. And I'm contouring the hollows of my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead and my jawline. And taking this beautiful pretty pink shade, I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks, and the brush I'm using is the QVS blush brush. Now using this champagne shade, I'm highlighting all the high points of my face, and the brush I'm using is the Studio West foundation brush. I love using this shade as my highlighter because it looks beautiful on the skin. Next, using this Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Sandy Pink, I'm gonna line my lips and also fill my lips with this. And then I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Pro Matte Gloss in the shade Nude Allude and apply it all over my lips. And then just dabbing my lips with a tissue to make the lips matte. And then finally, with the help of my kajal, I'm drawing the bindi and I'm all done. So this is my finished makeup look, guys. I hope you like it, and if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. And thank you so much for the lovely comments. I love reading your comments and your comments make my day. Thank you so much for the love and support, and I'm grateful to each and every one of you, and I really appreciate it. Also, we are very close to 10k subscribers. It makes me super happy. I love you all, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.